Evaluating managed IT services providers can be overwhelming, so today, we'll guide you through a comprehensive checklist to help you make the right choice. This checklist ensures the solutions you select align seamlessly with your business goals. Start by reviewing your IT infrastructure, assess hardware and software, identify inefficiencies, and ensure your systems support future business objectives. Next, focus on security and compliance. Look for providers offering 24/7 threat monitoring, endpoint protection, and adherence to regulations. Scalability is another must-have. The right provider should offer flexible solutions that grow with your business, integrating advanced technologies like cloud computing or AI when needed. Make sure your provider offers round-the-clock support, clear escalation paths, and regular updates to keep you informed. As Cantey, CEO of Cantey Tech Consulting, explains, a managed IT services checklist empowers businesses to navigate IT challenges and secure long-term success. Finally, evaluate cost and ROI. Transparent pricing and measurable efficiency gains should justify your investment. Don't hesitate to ask questions about experience, incident response protocols, and their ability to scale alongside your business. For a deeper understanding, check out the blog, and don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist.